Hello friends. So today we will be learning how to change the RIP timer on Fortigate. And to start that, we have covered these topic. If you want to learn anything, you can visit our Fortigate playlist. There you can see these topics. Okay. So, starting for this one, today we will not do anything here. We will just learn how to change the timer for RIP timer on Fortigate. Okay. So for that one, we will go on dashboard. We will check the routing first. So if we will see, we have route here. Okay, it is RIP route. Okay. So we will go on to change the timer. We have to go in network and then RIP. Here we will go in advanced session. Okay. So to change the RIP timer, you have to click here. What timer you have decided you can change. So here we will change 15, and we will give this one 9. We will give this one 90, and we will give uh, that another is 60. Okay, it is nothing but timer means update time, how much how much time it will take to send the routing update from here. And time, this is whole time, how much time it will wait for that update. And the garbage time is this is the time, like after that it will flush all that routing which it will learn from the RIP. Okay, so we will click on this. After that, if we will refresh, we can see in that timer is set. Okay, so it will not impact anything if we will check the routing again in network. So still we can see that RIP route is there. Okay, so like it will send the update each 15 second, like the route will be present. If anything like happen, then it will take that time to remove that routing. If you will see that route is already present. Okay, so here we this lecture was only to learn about the timer, RIP timer. So usually we don't use RIP nowadays, but we have to know if we have in our environment and we want to change. So okay, so that's it for this lecture, and thank you for watching. If you want me to make any other video topic, do comment so uh, we can make a video on that topic as well. And thank you for watching.